What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fixie, and today I present to you our Panko breadcrumbs mashed potato drumstick. Alright, so stay tuned while I show you how to make your Panko breadcrumbs mashed potato drumstick. Alright?
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, welcome back. So over here we have two drumsticks that we're using to do this special delicious dish today. Alright, two nice washed drumsticks over there. Right here we have two Irish potato. We're using the yellow one because we're gonna mash it out. We have some all-purpose seasoning. We have some onion, scallion, and a few pieces of tomato there that we're gonna use. We have some shredded cheese. We have some salt. We have some black pepper, and we have some dry seasoning. Alright. Also, we have our favorite Panko breadcrumbs over there. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make. Alright, so we're going to go in with our all-purpose here. We're going to use half teaspoon. Alright, we're going to go in with about quarter teaspoon salt. Just to give it a little flavor. And also quarter teaspoon black pepper. Alright, we're gonna rub in this nicely and leave it to marinate for about half an hour. Alright, so over here we have our pot heated. We're gonna add about quarter teaspoon salt. Good. And then we're gonna put our potato to boil for about 15 minutes. Alright. Also over here we have another pot that we put to boil. We're gonna add another quarter teaspoon salt here, and then we're gonna put our drumsticks to cook for about 20 minutes. Alright. Here we have two fresh eggs. We're gonna make our egg wash for this. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of milk. Good. We're gonna add half teaspoon chili spice just to get that kick that you're looking for. Alright, we're gonna add quarter teaspoon salt just to give it a nice flavor, and then quarter teaspoon black pepper. Good. Then we're gonna whisk this nicely. Alright, so that is our egg wash for our chicken. So we remove our Irish potato from the fire. We're gonna go ahead and mash it out and just crush it. We're using the mashed potato, yeah? Try not to overcook your potato, even though you want it to mash out, but you still want to get that firm texture. Alright? You can see. Ready. Alright. So after 20 minutes, our chicken leg is ready, our drumstick. As you can see, it breaking up. We're gonna put it on a flat plate like this. And we're gonna go ahead and remove all the meat from the chicken leg. Alright, you're not gonna throw away the bone, you're just gonna remove all the meat from the chicken leg. Alright? So there you have all our the flesh removed from the chicken leg. We have the bone over here because we're gonna need it to form back that chicken leg. Alright? So we're gonna pour all of this goodness into the potato, mashed potato. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and stir it around. Alright, good. And then we're gonna go ahead and saute our fresh seasoning. So there we have our pot there. We're gonna saute about 1 ounce of butter nicely. Gonna melt it. Right, and then add our season here, our fresh seasoning. We're not gonna add nothing to it, we're just gonna saute this for about 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, our seasoning is sauteed, we're gonna go ahead and remove it, and we're gonna pour it on this, on the potato. Look at that goodness, all of that goodness. Go ahead and mix everything up in one now. Alright, mix everything in one. All of that goodness. Good. Alright, so as you can see, I put a little flour on my my surface. I go ahead and flat out the potato with the meat. Now I gonna add a little cheese on the top of the cheese. Cheese. Alright. Nice little shredded cheese on the top of that. Alright, so these I gonna use to make balls, and these I'm gonna put back the drumstick right in the middle there. Then we're going to go ahead and combine everything together to create back that drumstick. Alright, so as you can see, our chicken leg is nicely formed back. We have about 3 spoons of breadcrumbs right here, and remember we have the egg wash over there. So we're going to go in with our egg wash first. Nicely coat our chicken leg, drumstick. Alright, then we're going to go straight over to our egg wash, and we're going to roll it nicely like that, just to ensure that it's properly coated. Alright, ensure that you properly coat it, yeah? Don't leave any spot over there. Alright, so look at it, look how beautiful it is. Alright, so we're going to put it on a plate nicely like that, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same for the rest. Alright, so everything you can see there is nicely coated. Alright, over here we have our pot was preheating with about a cup and a half of corn oil. So we're basically gonna go in with our drumstick now to deep fry it. Alright, you take your time and place it. Alright, as you can see, after about 2 to 3 minutes, our drumstick is almost ready. Trying to get that nice golden brown coat. Look at it, look how beautiful it is. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove it from the fire now, from the oil. And there you have it, guys, your Panko breadcrumbs mashed potato drumstick. Look at how beautiful it is, yeah? Made easy on the Fitzy Cooking Show. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Hope you guys continue to subscribe to Chef Fitz I Need on YouTube, and continue watch me on Facebook and on Instagram. Alright, hope you guys enjoy this. I'm out. Let's do a quick taste test of it, yeah? Look at it. Tastes so good. It's so nice. My word, I love it.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do